In this video, I'm showing you how to get ranked on ChatGPT, the new way customers are searching for services online. More and more people are skipping Google and asking ChatGPT for recommendations. If your business shows up there first, you're gonna literally win the customer before your competitors do. But most businesses haven't even thought about ChatGPT rankings. They're still stuck playing the old SEO game. And this is also a service you can resell to businesses as well, not only use for yourself. This isn't just about being found, it's about getting clients on autopilot. Because if you're not on the AI rankings, you're literally invisible where people are looking. So let's get right into it. Okay, so just one definition before we start is you need to know what schema is. Schema, whatever, yeah? So SEO schema is a special code you add to your website so that Google, Bing, and AI tools better understand your content. So without this special code that we're going to add, I'll show you everything step by step, don't worry. Without this, the AI, ChatGPT, SEO as a whole really won't understand. So like without schema, Google just sees it as like we do nails, blah, blah, blah. With it, it's very nice and structured. So with it being structured, AI, Google, everything sees your content more clearly, sees your business more clearly and ranks you to the top. So if someone searches best hair salon in Birmingham, let's say you have a hair salon, yours will show up. Okay, so that's what we're going for. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Why do we have to talk about all this rubbish? Let's go. So copy this. Okay, so paste that in and then put the URL for your website. So for example, I've pasted in this link. So this is how we start. Okay, step 1. Cool, paste that in. Let us do its thing. Boom, just like that. Every single page it has done for us. The reason we're doing this is that we're teaching ChatGPT about the business, about your business, your client's business. Now it just knows, has that stored knowledge of everything. Okay, second thing, we want to copy this prompt over here. So copy this, take a screenshot, write it down, whatever. Now let's put this into ChatGPT. Cool, boom, paste, done, like that. So now we're creating FAQs for the business. Okay, so it's gonna create like tons and tons of FAQs because this prompt basically says create FAQs for a site, give me a comprehensive list of things that improve SEO, AEO, GEO, so everything right here, Bing Webmaster rankings, include FAQs that are service based as well. So it just got everything here. So we've got a ton of FAQs now to put on the website. Okay, so one thing we have to keep in mind is that make sure your website is on Google Search Console. Okay, so I've made a video here about how to make sure your websites are ranked on Google. So go on Google Search Console, watch this video here. I go through everything there on Google Search Console. And this may sound weird because no one uses Bing, but ChatGPT, AIs, Google even, they take their back-end knowledge from Bing Webmaster. Okay, so no one knows that. Go on Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster and upload your websites there. If you watch this video here, it's very similar on Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster. Do that there. I'll put the link in the description to that video. So just go in the description, pause the video, watch that video, then come back. Okay, now this is the fourth prompt. So out of all the FAQs we created, give me a suggested group of FAQs to be customer facing on my website, break it up into categories. So let's do that here, paste that in. Okay, so we got this and we got customer facing FAQs for our website. We got them all here. Perfect. Now let's carry on. Okay, so now we just got questions. Now we need to tell it, write FAQs for section 1. Cool, let's do that. And because we've taught it all our background of the business, these questions are all right. So now what we want to do is on our website, on the FAQ section, we want to add these in. And it is asking to do section 2, we can let it do that as well. So let's add these section 1 in now. By the way, while I switch, if you want one-on-one support with me and all these benefits here, I've used first link in description, get 30-day free trial, not 14, 30 days, plus one-on-one support with me. Bigger channels can't give you that. My snapshots, my sales scripts, my blah, 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 everything there. And if you've already got an account, email me, you can still benefit from my perks. So let's create an FAQs page. What page should I copy? Let's just copy this one. Let's clone this. Here we are. We just need to change this to FAQs like that. This to FAQs. All right, so let's get rid of everything. Let's let just be an FAQ section. So let's just type this as FAQs like that. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of that even. We can get rid of this. And there you go. So let's come down here to FAQ. Now here we are. So we can come down here on the right, keep it separated. Now list item 1, we can copy and paste. Let's get rid of image. All what ChatGPT. So our first one is this. And what we can do is come here and paste that up and then put the answer in 2, and just put the answer in 2 like that. And then go to the next one, for example. And even just for a sub headline, just to make this nice and neat. So this one was under the general salon FAQ. So you can put that in here. And I'm going to show you at the end, I'm going to do this for every section. I'll skip to that point. I'll do the boring work while you guys can skip to the end. Okay, so I've basically done that. Okay, so I've basically done all of them here. And on the SEO metadata that pops up, you want to fill this out. So title, 7 skin and girl FAQs, description. I'll just put that for now, description, quick one. Okay, keywords. You can ask ChatGPT, put the keywords in there. Author, social image, you can put in your logo. Link and tags, custom meta tags. Say, give me custom meta tags for this business, for this FAQ page. Cool, so if you got all your social medias, you can copy that. Go into custom tag, go into put in the content, press save. Then your canonical links, just do the same thing. ChatGPT is crazy what ChatGPT can do. Cool, so let's copy this for the index for this FAQs page. You got one for the website, the about page, contact, apply them for all of them. Let's go to add, just put that link in and press add. Now we want to update that and press save and publish. Okay, now let's link this FAQ page to obviously the home page so people can access it. Let's go to home. So at the top here, let's add a FAQs page. So here, FAQs, go to page, FAQ page, and press submit, just like that. If we get off this, there we are, perfect. Press this, update, publish, done. Okay, so let's preview that. Let's go to the FAQs page. Here we are. So there you go. You got all the FAQs in, and obviously you can make it look a bit better than I have. This is just for video sake. Okay, so our 5th prompt is write a schema for section 1. So let's go do that. Just go to ChatGPT and say write a schema for. So I'm gonna ask it write FAQ for the whole FAQ page. I think that'll be a bit better. So let us do its thing because we're gonna put it. You can add the schema to each page. So look, it's doing its thing. Keep going. So on section 5, the question asked for section 5 is planning it out so all the AI, all the algorithms can clearly understand and rank it to the top. Okay, so go to copy code. Let's go back to here. Let's go to the FAQs page like that. Now you want to go to tracking code, header, paste it, press save, then go to save here, then go to publish. Okay, cool. So you've done that for the FAQs page. You can do this for the home page, the contact page, other pages. Okay, so yeah, the 6th tip, add it to the heading for that page. We just did that live with you now. Now 7th one is keep telling the AI to create schema for each one of the sections. Schema added to the home page, contact page. I've shown you one example. You can do the same thing over and over. Now this one is where we're going to validate. You want to check if your schema is correct. Okay, so you use this link here. All right, so when you paste that in, you get here, let's go to code snippet. Let's go to our schema here, copy it and see if it's correct. So let's run test. Okay, cool. It literally said one error here. So I've just copied this error, put into ChatGPT, and it just modified it for me. So here you go. Normally I've done this before and there's literally 0 errors. Of course, one time I recorded it, there's an error, but we've gone in ChatGPT and it's basically made it all good and fine. So let's go back. Let's get rid of this again. Cool, let's go there, paste this version, press save. I've pasted it in again and look at that, 0 errors, 0 warnings, done. ChatGPT just sorted that all out for us, all cool. That's how you're gonna, if you do it for every page, that's how you're gonna rank your business and all of your clients' businesses higher AI SEO, okay? If you want all these perks here, if you use the first link in the description, get a 30-day free trial, plus my snapshots, one-on-one support with me, sales scripts, GoHighLevel presentations, everything. My new outreach strategies, etc. And you've already got an account and you can't use that link. If you email me, you still can benefit from the perks. Just email me, we'll jump on a call and I'll show you how we can get that going. Yeah, please like the video. It really helps me out. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. And I don't know. Oh yeah, check out the playlist. I've got basically everything here, 1 to 12 done. If you're looking for like a place to learn things chronologically in order. So 1 to 12 all labeled nicely for you to go through from 1 to 12. So yeah, please like the video, helps me out, and yeah, cool. Good night as well.